Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Alvaro. I am from SMP Prestasi Mubtadi. Today, I will get you to make a mini bean using coffee paper cup. It is quick and eco-friendly, so let's get started. First of all, I will tell you the tools and materials. To unused coffee paper cup, a piece of buffalo pepper, an ice cream stick, a tape and double tape, a ruler, a pencil, and scissors. First, make sure that your unused coffee paper cup is clean. Then, let's make a lid. Place the upside cup down on buffalo pepper, and then a circle around the rim. Cut the circle. Put it aside. Next, measure the ice cream stick about 2 cm long and cut using scissors. Stick it across onto the other part using double dip. It is for the lever. Make a little hole at the bottom of your coffee paper cup. The size would be matched with the edge of ice cream stick. Put the lever into the hole. Then place the other cup inside. Cut the remaining cup spinning. And stick a lid onto the upside using tape. Here it is, our aesthetic little bean is done. It's so easy, isn't it? Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.